load deformation curve. This is the load or force antam dini, deformation or elongation. Okay. Minimum force which is required for the tissue to deform, you call it as toe. అంటే చాలా తక్కువ ఫోర్స్ ఇచ్చాను. అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక టిష్యూ ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి, టిష్యూని పెట్టి ఇప్పుడు నేను దాన్ని స్ట్రెచ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా, ఇలా స్ట్రెచ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా. ఐ వాంట్ టు స్ట్రెచ్ అ పర్టికులర్ టిష్యూ. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మినిమమ్ ఫోర్స్ ఐ యూస్ టు స్ట్రెచ్ ద పర్టికులర్ టిష్యూ? యూ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ toe force, or the region of the particular tissue deformation you call it as toe region antam. Okay, this you call it as toe region. Toe region ante enti anante, it is the minimum force which is required for the tissue to be deformed. If the force is increased, the deformity also increases. Deformity kuda increase avutundi. Until and unless the force have been released, the deformity will be released and the tissue comes to its original position. This region you call it as elastic region. So this is your toe region and this is your elastic region. And the end point of elastic region you call it as yield point antam. So here in the elastic region, the deformity is not permanent. Elastic region lo you have temporary deformity. ఎంత వరకు ఇది పర్మనెంట్ కాదు అంటే ఎంత వరకు ద డిఫార్మేషన్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ టెంపరరీ అంటే until and unless it reaches the maximum stress. And so as the force increases, the deformation will be increased and that deformation will be permanent. Okay, adi evarni datali? If it crosses the yield point, then the deformity is permanent. Okay, and this region you call it as plastic region antam. In the plastic region, the tissue can't be recoiled to its original position. Once plastic region loki vellipoyinda sagipoyala undipotundi. Okay, ala undipoyedanni you call it as plastic region. The force which has been still increased is your this ultimate stress reach అయిపోయింది అని అంటే the tissue won't allow for any deformity again. ఇంకా elongate అవ్వదు. ఇంకా దీనికి మించి elongate చేయాలి అని అనుకుంటే the tissue starts tearing. So this point you call it as ultimate failure point అంట. And the tearing of the tissue you call it as failure. I repeat, the load deformation curve, it defines the elasticity or the minimal force which is required to deform a particular tissue. You call it as toe force or toe region. If the force has been increased, the deformation of the tissue will be increases, and here the deformation is temporary deformation. Once the force have been relieved, the particular tissue recoils to its original structure, which you call it as elastic region. And the end point of elastic region you call it as yield point. At this point, still the force increases rather than your yield point, then the deformation which has been by the tissue will be permanent, and that region you call it as plastic region. And though the force increases more than the plastic region, you call it as ultimate stress on the structure, or the point you call it as ultimate failure point, where the tissue's deformity has been permanent and the tissue starts tearing. That region you call it as failure region. If the tissue is ligament, then you call the failure as sprain. If the tissue is tendon, the failure you call it as strain. If the tissue is bone, the failure you call it as fracture. Okay, if the tissue is at the junction of ligament or tendon with the bone, ante if the tissue is at the junction of ligament or bone or tendon or bone, you call it as avulsion.